Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I just wanted to let you know my neighbor brought me 5 more golden books. Actually 6, but one of them is pretty messed up. So 5 more golden books, so I was able to do 5 more kits in the Dear Julie Etsy shop. I'm going to go ahead and we'll go through the books real quick so you get an idea of what condition they are in. We have Benji, the fastest dog in the West. And so the story of Benji. Look at rodeo in here. Pages look great. Cover is worn, but it's in great condition. Scary clown. And you get an ad page in here and this background. So that's Benji. Then we have How Do Penguins Play? And this one, no writing on the front page. These are really cute. The colors are great in this one. So we have grizzly cubs and kangaroos, cows, sea otters, and cheetahs. Okay, so and that's the back that you get on that one. Then we have the Mickey Mouse Sorcerer's Apprentice from Walt Disney. You can see it's got a little bit of wear and tear on the cover. It's going to happen even if it's in a bookcase. Look at a different back on this one. So okay. So these were all in pretty good shape. Actually, really good shape. The pages are great, except the one. I'm going to see what I can do with it. I might be able to turn it into tags and things for other things. But there's that one. Then we have the little golden picture dictionary. And so this one is actually a little dictionary. I mean, this one you could take apart and have great stuff for tags and ephemera for other journals. Great pictures. Great pictures. So, vegetables, umbrella. Ah, a different background. I don't think I've ever seen that one before. And then we have Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs. I love this picture. So I was going to keep this one, but Snow White was my sister's favorite, and I was thinking about using it to tell her story, and I just don't have time right now, so I'm going to go ahead and pass it on and look for another one. So there you go. So one of the things is, yes, we are doing the little golden book. We're on part 2. We just did that, just went up today, and that's at 4 o'clock weekdays. 4 o'clock weekdays we'll be doing the little golden book, and you're welcome to join along. I went through the large paper part of the kit that I'm using today. So again, the kits with these 5 books are available in the Etsy shop while they last. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe and have an amazing day. Thank you for being here. I know it's a quick one. Bye. Bye-bye.